where to apply, and a step-by-step application overview. To apply to SMC IXD, you need to submit your application and supplemental materials through SlideRoom. In this section, we'll walk you through the whole process. First, create an account by going to smcixd.slideroom.com and clicking Sign Up. Quick tip! You will be able to save your application progress to complete at a later date, but keep this in mind. Once you submit your application, you cannot go back and edit materials again. So make sure you're ready before hitting that Submit button. Step 1 of SlideRoom is where you fill out the SMC IXD application form and answer the personal essay questions. Keep in mind that you will be able to share any additional design experience that may not appear on your transcripts when you get to the other experiences questions within Step 1 of SlideRoom. The next and final step before submitting your application is where you will upload your portfolio. Make sure to follow the size requirements of 10 megabytes per project. You may need to compress your files to meet these requirements. You can submit your application if you successfully uploaded all of your forms and media. Remember, you can't go back and edit your materials once you submit, so make sure you're fully ready to take this step. In the next video, we'll review what to include in your portfolio submission.